Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is part 8 of December 2023, the last video for the Patreon videos for STL files, for D&D, Warhammer, and figures as well. Here's Ashley still working on the Dante. Yes, yes, that's poker. She is real. She is and hurtful. She's very abusive.
I am
Abusive to
not.
me. She hits me. She bruises me. She bites me. Well, anyhow, if you do enjoy the video, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down below. Let's get to it. Station Forge, we got some more stuff. Looks like we have a Warlord Titan with actual things on it, 61 centimeters. I do not know how tall that is. And I know it's 24 centimeters in a foot. So little close to 3 feet, I think. Of this will be a big guy. Big guy. Big guns, big everything. I think I'll stick with my Mommy Warlord Titan if you guys don't remember. we pretty debated it. We have a Imperials on a polar bear. So this will be one of the freaking what's that space marine that uses the wolf uh, things for it? But yeah. So we looked at the Tau last time, and another scavenger patrol party, and then there's rat folk, the rat thing for Age of Sigmar for it. But there will be a lot more for it, so do check out Station Forge. Next thing is Flesh of God. So if you're into like undead, Dark Souls type of miniatures, Flesh of God is good. I think we already looked at some of these before in the past. This is the loyalty one that they put out. That's pretty cool looking. Cavity Fall. Let's see here. We have a Silver Eyed Star View. We have a Raven Folk, Dragonborn. It's weird because in the books, Dragonborn don't have tails, but people like Dragonborns with tails and stuff, so you can have a little mutation. It's your story of your game, how you're going to print it. Here's your
In the
monsters
book,
as
they
well.
said they can and cannot.
Yeah, they can't. They usually cannot. Usually, one with tails are half dragons, but Dragonborns are created. They were never, what you call it,
Born,
born naturally. They were actually created.
but now they're born naturally.
Yeah,
I
but
just smell something else.
cult members as well. Christmas special. Got the looks like Santa and the Soul Scribe for it, and your bust, and your throwbacks. Old claws. Freaking shove a kid in there. Next one is White Werewolf Tavern. We'll be looking at videos for this as well. So this is a three-headed one. Three-headed Tiamat. Tiamat's sister this is a three-headed dragon. I think it's orange, purple, and
Tiamat has a sister?
well, in the Dragon magazine, it was orange, purple, and I think it was pink for it. So you have all the chromatic colors for this as well, but we're gonna need a lot of resin. I don't have that much resin at all. So
Cool.
this is the one that they took from Elden Ring, the crazy little people that dance around in circles. Yeah, another. We have like we have a lot of cultists this month. A lot of cultists.
That time of year.
Yeah. Well, it's also Christmas, a pagan holiday, so I'm guessing witches.
Well, paganism has nothing to do with a cultist.
Well, witches. You're a witch.
Uh huh.
I'm gonna die. 3D Wicked. So we know we got Queen. If you have bought this, you should have an email for this one from last month. Let's see what's happening for this month. We already got the Gremlins. December models delayed for November term. Well, we got nothing for December. Looks like it. So I don't think they're probably gonna do December. They might take a month break. Nom Nom figures. We already looked at some of them. Toth,
I see Zora.
EVAO2, Shadowheart. Yeah, Zoro. Or I already got that from last month. Isabel and Yoshi, we got the extras in the sign. So we have the chibi ones.
I want that.
You want this? We got Zero.
I don't know that.
We got Marin from cosplay anime. I forget what it's called. Yuffie.
I'll take a Yuffie. But I already have a Yuffie.
The holiday special release. Oh, next month you can get James, honey. No, here, you're coming up, honey. You as Snorlax. They're making your model finally. You're the Snorlax, honey.
Next
Xenomorph. Yeah,
I'll take that. Xenomorph.
yeah. But this is the that's November
You're so
one.
mean, Lance.
So this, see, honey, this is the Jill I have.
Alright.
If you want it, but yeah. Next one is Miles Studio, another figure. I don't think they have anything else for November yet. I don't think they've released anything for November. I mean December. I mean. DM Stash, another figure. Very good working figure for this as well. The Colossal Threat. So we're doing Giants, Frost Giants at like pretty much nice and Dale. What did you knock out?
It's probably a paintbrush that fell.
Uh,
You do it all the time.
yeah. So we got Snow Trolls of the Deep, Snow Giants, Ranger of the Frozen West, Big Game Hunter, the Entombed Giant King, Colossal Blood Shaman, Half Elf, Sonic Agent, Giant Saber-Tooth Tiger, Cleric, Barbarian, and Blood Mage. Remember, they used to have Blood Mages in 3.5. They don't have it on 5th edition anymore. But here's your little stats for
They don't
them
have a
as
lot of
well.
stuff anymore.
Yeah, well, especially the Hasbro's going down the chimney. I'm just ready for someone to actually buy out Hasbro and save D&D.
Everybody's going over to Pathfinder.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy the remastered one as well. I don't know if our group's gonna go towards Pathfinder, but we have a lot of Pathfinder books as well from the first edition, the first gen and the second gen. But these are very good prints in your terrains.
That'd be cool.
Epic Miniatures. I don't know what we got for this yet. December update. So we got three-headed dragon. We have a boar, a warhog. Warhog with stuff you can put on. A big man with a cup. German man with a cup. So yeah, probably a dwarf. And here is a better look. Hey, honey, better looking orc chef.
You should print that.
Yeah, I should. And you have a orc bard. Keg. Oh, these have a lot of different types of orc
You can
on this
print the
one.
chef one.
Yeah, I do, don't I? There's some pig sleeping on pillows. A lot of pig stuff, I would say, for it. We have a girl. I think, yeah, it's just a regular human girl with tongs, carrying pies or rice. I don't know. A lot of stuff from Epic. Epic's pretty good. You get like a lot of miniatures just for like $10. Just letting you guys know as well. It is one of those things that interesting in my point of view. We have a lot of useful people like in taverns and stuff that we can use in towns. I might have to print this set when I have resin. Resin's got more expensive, just letting you guys know. So we won't be able to look at all of these. If you do, the link will be down below for you guys. Ronin Art. So we got the Christmas one. December pack. We got Krampus, female one. Barmaids and donuts and angels and devils, as well as your pinups. Next one's 3D Moon, another figure one as well. I think this will be the last one for the video. We have Zatanna. I think we already looked at this. We're just going to do a quick overview.
What's up there? I thought I saw
Black
something.
Cat,
Above Black Cat.
Santana.
I don't know who that is.
That's a DC magic caster, female magic caster, DC. And I think we have one, four. from King of Fighter. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you guys next time. We'll see you in January for January 2024 one. Hope we'll have a lot more better, more miniatures for you down the road. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day. Bye.